Have you ever wondered why skincare is so important and how an electric facial cleansing brush can revolutionize your skincare routine? Proper skincare is not just about looking good, it's about staying healthy. Our skin is the largest barrier against infection, and keeping our skin healthy helps keep this barrier strong. Now, enter the electric facial cleansing brushes. These high-tech tools promise to cleanse skin on a whole new level, going beyond what our fingertips and washcloths can do. Now that you know why skincare is important, let's dive into the world of electric facial cleansing brushes. So, what exactly is an electric facial cleansing brush and how does it work? Well, this tool is a sleek innovation in skincare that uses gentle yet effective rotations or vibrations to cleanse and exfoliate your skin. It's like having a mini facial massage at home. There are different types to suit individual preferences, from oscillating brushes to sonic brushes, each with unique features. They're designed to reach deep into your pores, removing dirt, oil, and makeup more efficiently than manual cleansing. With an understanding of what an electric facial cleansing brush is and how it works, you can see why it's a game changer in skincare. Now, you might be wondering, what are the benefits of using an electric facial cleansing brush? Well, these high-tech tools offer a deep cleansing experience that ordinary hands or washcloths simply can't match. They gently exfoliate the skin, sloughing off dead skin cells to reveal a more radiant complexion. They also help improve skin texture and elasticity over time. Moreover, they increase the efficiency of your skincare products by promoting better absorption. The benefits of using an electric facial cleansing brush are clear, but how can you make the most of it? Let's recap the key points we've discussed in this video. Skincare is crucial for maintaining a healthy, glowing complexion. An electric facial cleansing brush is a tool that enhances this process, with different types and features to suit various needs. Using one offers many benefits, including deep cleansing, exfoliation, and improved texture and elasticity of the skin. It also boosts the efficiency of your skincare products by enhancing absorption. With all this information at your fingertips, you're well on your way to revolutionizing your skincare routine with an electric facial cleansing brush. Until next time, keep glowing.